want some cookies.
I like sugar a lot.
So we're gonna make some Snickerdoodle cookies from a recipe I found on Pinterest.
The Piccadilly.
Piccadilly.
That's what Mama calls Pinterest.
Oh. So let's see. In this bowl is 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And in here I've got a stick of butter, like real butter, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, which if you leave your brown sugar open, this happens to it.
Dun, dun.
That's just a piece of solid brown sugar.
Is it edible?
Oh look, it actually disintegrated a little in my hand. So that's what happened. My brown sugar had a little bit of an opening and it got everywhere. I mean, it dried out some. So the recipe says to cream the butter and the brown sugar together. So I'm going to show y'all what that looks like. My butter should have probably been a little softer, but we're impatient people. So this would look better if it was softened more. Oh. Butter blob. Don't aw. I know where everything is in there.
Some hot water in it.
She's not a baker, y'all.
Put it in the microwave.
No. Because it'll cook that brown sugar.
You should put the butter in the microwave.
You can't microwave butter to soften it.
Why?
Because then it melts.
Is that not the point of it?
No. It needs to be soft, not melty.
Oh.
Soft butter holds an indent with your finger when you touch it.
3 days later.
You can quickly soften butter by putting it on your stove while you preheat your oven. And it'll get soft that way. But you can't microwave it to soften
it looks lumpy.
Well, it'll work. Well, it says until light and fluffy. Does that look light and fluffy?
It looks dark and lumpy.
One eternity later.
Chocolate chip cookies, but I've never made
Like homemade chocolate
Snickerdoodles.
chip cookies?
Well, I've watched somebody make homemade.
Okay, so now we're gonna put in an egg. Oh,
Don't put any shell in there.
I'll put what I want in there. You're not a cooker.
I've got enough shell in my life. Good.
I have a half one. We'll do 2 of these.
Half a teaspoon?
We'll do 2 of those. And I always put just a tiny bit extra. We're gonna mix this up, the egg and the vanilla to this brown sugar butter stuff. Oh, did I mention these are whole wheat?
I don't think I mentioned that part.
They're whole wheat.
You're just talking that mad game because I want cookies. Didn't mention how healthy they're going to be.
So now I need to add the whole wheat, baking soda, and cream of. Need 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. This is just some organic stone ground wheat flour.
It's delicious.
I made some bread with it, some tortillas, and some muffins. And they've all turned out wonderful. So I have this crazy idea we're going to stop buying grain products from the store because I figured out, I learned how they make
Because
them.
Walmart causes cancer.
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Don't you know?
Don't ya know? And 1/2 teaspoon.
Just a little shout out to our Minnesotians
Here, we have those.
for their tiny little sodas.
And the same amount of cream of tartar.
What is cream of tartar?
Cream of tartar?
It just freaks me out. It makes me think of tartar sauce.
I don't know exactly what it is, but I know that it.
Taste it.
I'm not tasting that because it's gross.
What's it smell like?
It smells like Noxzema.
Ew, you just
Smell
put that
it.
in my cookies. No. Put that
I
on
know
my
that.
face. Will I be
So
pretty?
my Gigi used to use this for meringue.
Put it on my face. Will I be pretty?
I don't know that cream of tartar is gonna make you pretty.
It smells like Noxzema.
And it's gluten free. I don't know. Anyway,
Mm.
that's what the recipe calls for. I know my Gigi puts it in egg whites when she makes a meringue. And then cloud bread called for it. That's why I bought it, because I was going to make some cloud bread, but never did. So now it says to combine, gradually blend in whole wheat flour. So I'm going to use the little scoop, add a little bit at a time. Taste it?
That's not sanitary.
Well, it's not even mixed through, so. So now it says to shape the dough into 1-inch balls, then roll in the cinnamon mixture.
You said balls.
Yeah. Balls?
I don't know. I don't have balls. You should edit that out.
I think that's about a 1-inch ball.
Isn't a 1 inch like this part of your finger?
I don't know.
From here to here. No, that's about right. My fingers are crooked.
Tyler, come over here and use my phone and put Gigi on speakerphone. Call her from my phone and put her on speaker. Yeah, hit the phone right there. And then back out of that. Cancel. Gigi. Tap in the search bar, Gigi. Or do that. There. And call her. Hit bubble.
You waiting?
And hit speaker.
Put it down. That's not 1 inch.
Hey,
Hello.
Gigi. What is cream of tartar?
What is cream of tartar?
Uh-huh.
When you're making meringue, it helps it keep it sweet. And some recipes call for it. It's kind of like cornstarch on steroids.
Oh, okay.
But it's really often used in meringue.
Yeah, I'm making Snickerdoodle cookies and it asks for it.
I have some.
I bought some a couple weeks ago because I was gonna make a recipe with them and never ended up not doing it. But Danielle asked me what it was and I have no idea. I just know what it does. I just
smells
know that
weird.
we use it for that you always used it for meringue.
Yeah. I just put a teaspoon, whatever. Mix it in with my sugar when I put it in the meringue. It keeps the peach.
I wonder if that's why, because these Snickerdoodles, you roll them into balls. I wonder if that's how it got it to be kind of pliable enough, but thick enough to roll into a ball
Yeah.
without freezing it.
Yeah. It keeps it from breaking and it keeps it from leaking when you make it.
Okay.
You know, it gets the grease on top.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll bring you some of these if they turn out good.
Your balls are uneven.
My hands look like you.
Gold!
That's more like bronze or copper.
Mm.
Ooh, they smell good.
Ah! That was not a nice thing to do.
Alright, we're gonna put those in the oven. Try to wash my hands.
Oh.
Oh, I could have flattened those a little and I didn't.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Did you say?
I don't know. Alexa, is there a timer set?
There are no timers set.
Alexa, will you set a timer for 8 minutes?
8 minutes, starting
So this says to bake 8 to 10 minutes or until the cookies are light brown. It says we could have flattened slightly if desired. Clearly I didn't desire to, because they're already in the oven. Anyhow, while those cook for 8 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna wash up these dishes while they're cooking. So I'm gonna smash them down. And those actually look like Snickerdoodles. But if you can tell, the middle of these is not cooked. So I'm going to smush them down and cook them another couple minutes. They're browning on the bottom. So we got to do something or they're going to burn. Our oven gets really hot. And that could be part of it. So they ended up needing about 15 minutes to cook. And I flipped them all over because I didn't think they were cooking. But I don't think I needed to, because here is this one that I cut in half. And it doesn't really look done because it's squished, but when you kind of break it, I mean, it was tasted done to us. So we're gonna move these to this cooling rack and let them cool before we start eating them. We don't want to burn our mouths. Yeah? Super delicious?
Well, then now I don't want to adult.
What do you think?
It's really good,
Yeah?
even with milk. Weird, right?
No, you're fine.
This is really good.
Hmm?
I said this is really good.
I'm gonna swallow it. It's really good.
Teenager. Is it good?
Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications. And always, thanks for watching.